agriculture intensive, yet unstable income. Fertile land, yet less productivity. Ready markets, yet unfair produce prices. These are some of the challenges being addressed by the Agri-Based Livelihood Empowerment, also known as the ABLE program of the Lupin Foundation. At the moment, 20,000 small and marginal farmers across 2 states are benefiting from the program. These farmers belong to Sakri and Dhule blocks in Maharashtra and Rajgarh and Malakheda blocks in Alwar district of Rajasthan. ABLE has devised 5 strategies to empower the farmers. First, building capacity and collectivization, which brings farmers together into collective groups and trains them. The Lupin Farmer School, aided by 80 dedicated Lupin Sarthis, who guides them on improved agriculture practices and accessing government schemes. The next strategy is providing access to customized technology solutions. This involves topics such as soil health, climate-resilient crops, and supporting farmers with problem-based solutions. The third strategy is efficient use of water, which imparts knowledge on efficient irrigation techniques to maximize output with minimal water use. The fourth critical strategy is market linkages, which helps connect farmers to markets, eliminates middlemen, and ensures the harvest gets better value. 4 farmer producer organizations, FPOs, are being established to gain better bargaining power and self-sustaining farm enterprises. The fifth approach is all about making farmers comfortable with the government and agri ecosystem, which helps them get better access to government schemes and the agrarian ecosystem, thereby multiplying their efforts. The ABLE program has been an enabler in the last year. Shri Ram Yadav from Dhamredi village of Alwar says, another farmer from Dhule district of Maharashtra, Nana Bhau Somji Mali of Arni village admits, that's the transformative impact of the ABLE program. By combining training, mentorship, and the strength of collective action, it has empowered farmers to increase their incomes, adapt to challenges such as shifting weather patterns and market dynamics, and take up farming with renewed pride. With a strong commitment to its mission, ABLE welcomes new partners to join in driving the next agrarian revolution in India.